fans, welcome to the Los Angeles 500, final race of the Fishing Cup season.
You can't do this. I raced for you guys almost 10 years.
Brick?
Sorry, Brick. My mind's made up. Time for me to move on to a new race.
But I had 2 wins last year.
The whole sport's changing. I'm just doing what I gotta
Hey, Bobby, do you know what's happening with Brick? Oh. You're not Bobby.
Name's Carlos, bro.
Hey, Champ. Where'd all your friends go?
A final check of his tires as Storm settles into the pole position.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's end this season with a great race!
to go, and race leader Jackson Storm's making his way onto pit road. A good stop here could mean the difference between victory and defeat.
Come on, I gotta get back out there before he does. Guido, I said faster! Come on, hurry up! Listen, Guido, faster!
What a pit stop by McQueen! He just got the lead!
But can he hold on to it?
Hey, Champ. The race is over.
Takes back the lead, a length in front.